Good morning. My name is Philip. I'm an ordinary participant of MMM Nigeria, batch 43 Guardian School. And I'm here to talk about MMM, how it works, the ideology, the bonus attached to MMM, and the rules. Of course, in every business, in every setup, there are rules and benefits that are attached to everything we do, even here in MMM. The ideology, according to Sabi Mavodi, is to help eradicate the unfair financial system that we have in the world right now, whereby the rich are becoming richer every day, while the poor are the ones suffering for it. They will work and work and work and labor all their might and strength. At the end of the day, what they take home is nothing to write home about. What they take home cannot even fund for themselves and their family. So Sabi Mavodi has implemented this platform whereby the poor and the middle class can have a leverage. They can have something that can help them and their family, and it will sustain them for a month, and sustain them for as long as they key into this program, which has helped life. So the ideology is to eradicate the unfair financial treatment that is happening in the world right now. Not only applicable in Nigeria, but in everywhere you go to, whereby there's a chunk gap between the rich and the poor. How MMM works. MMM is a financial community of ordinary participants, ordinary people like you and I, who are willing to render assistance to each other. The goal of this assistance, of this MMM platform, is to render donations in form of cash to assist one another that will belong to that same platform. It is based on trusts, based on integrity, based on honesty that this MMM operates. As a participant of MMM, you will be asked to make a pledge to assist someone that is a member of MMM as well with an amount of money. For example, maybe 50,000 naira. And when the time comes for you to acknowledge that pledge, you will be merged with another person that needs that help at that time. And you'll be asked to go pay the money into that person's account, because every one of us have an account that is being registered, our account details that is being registered through MMM. So when you pay that money to that person's account, the person will be happy. He or she can be able to use that money even to help himself for that month. Then you have to now wait for maximum of 30 days so that you'll be able to get help from that money, and that money will be used to help. And as such, when you do that, you'll be able to also wait for 30 good days where your marvel will have grown. That means your interest. Then you'll be able to cash out not only your principal amount, but also that interest of 30%. So that's how MMM works. As I said, it is based on integrity, trust, and mutual understanding from all MMM members all around Nigeria. The rules of MMM. As I already said, in every setup, there's always a rule attached to whatever one wants to do, so that there will be people that will be abiding to those particular rules that have been set up. In MMM, we have rules, and part of the rules is that one, every participant must have one account attached to him, so that we will not have scammers or hackers. We are people of integrity and honesty, so we must be sincere to ourselves and even to the community that we belong, because if we are not sincere, this platform is not going to help each and every one of us. So one of the rules is that one account attached to one individual at a point in time. That is the rule. And another rule attached to MMM is that we should be able to, make sure that the pledge that we have promised that we are going to pledge, we keep to our words, keep to our promise. Whereby, when you make a pledge, for example, as I said earlier, of 50,000, and when it's time for you to, give out that pledge, you should be able to go out there, take the time to be able to help that person that you have been attached to, so that we can have a lot of people. So that is one of the rules about guiding MMM. And lastly, the benefits of MMM. Oh, nice. MMM is here to change lives. And one and more of the benefits of MMM is: one, you get a whopping 30% at the end of the month, whatever you pledge. Secondly, you have a benefit of you get a registration bonus if you are coming for MMM for the first time. When you register, you also get some percentage for your registration bonus, $20, $50, or $100, as the case may be, depending on the amount that you pledge. Then aside that, you also get a 10% registration bonus, a 10% bonus given to you by MMM for anybody that comes in that you've invited. Then anybody, as I said, that you bring into MMM, you get 10% of whatever they pledge at a particular time. Then subsequent pledge, you also get 5%. So for example, if I talk about MMM to someone and the person is interested, likes it, and makes a pledge of a 1 million naira, I get 10% of 1 million naira, which is 100,000. With the amount I'm also pledging, and I get 30% of it. So you find out that MMM is here to bless life. It's a win-win situation. And that is what MMM is all about. MMM has blessed me, not only financially, but it has embroidered my mind about some, things I need to know, and how to learn how to budget, how to learn to keep to my words. Whenever I make a pledge, I know that, a particular money is being meant for someone to help to better people's life. And it has also taught me to be honest, to be true to my word, as I said earlier, and also to have a high level of integrity, which I feel this community is all about. Members of MMM Nigeria are members that have high level of integrity, we are honest, and we keep to our words, and that is how this platform, this community can help bless our lives. I urge you, as you listen to me, that you should plug into this platform, plug into this community. It's going to help you, help bless your lives and the lives of your family. As you do this with sincerity of hearts, knowing fully well that as you come in, your loyalty, your trust, your integrity is what MMM requires of you. I know that as you put it into consideration, you and I will bless from this platform. Thank you for listening, and please key in to MMM. Long live MMM, long live MMM Nigeria, long live Mavi Mavodi. God bless.